Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
Lisa, do me a favor, walk over there.
Isabella, can you give me that magazine right
Get
there?
the magazine over there. Right there. Yeah, get the magazine.
Come on, baby. Right here.
Come on, Boylicious.
Hubba bubba. Thank you, ma'am. The heck?
One for Dad. One for Sis. One for Nada. One for Shushan. One for Adam. One for Vicky. And one for Dad. One for Mom.
Baby,
Yep.
can you put this back over there? Please,
Hold on.
please, please, please.
Okay.
Just put it over there. What's wrong with her, man? She got issues.
And Isabella, Isa,
Yes.
shake it up. Shake it up.
Shake your booty.
How do girls walk? No, that's not how girls walk.
Your feet are crooked, man. Why your feet crooked?
That's how she likes her magic.
I'm doing something.
I'm sorry. I am sorry.
Excuse us.
Forgive me for interrupting you, ma'am.
My name is Science. Did I hear coughing?
Okay, Manny Torres Jr.
I said Science. You want to eat this? Chicken nuggets then?
Chicken nugget?
Chicken.
Is that chicken nugget?
Yeah.
You like chicken nugget?
Yeah, but
Why?
Science.
You can't eat chicken nuggets.
Science.
Oh, she told her mama to shut up.
Oh, that's not
I
good.
said Science.
Excuse me?
Silence.
Science.
Silence.
Say I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Say I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, little ma'am. Here is a baby heart.
Oh, drop one.
So, here is
One for me?
Yep.
Thank you.
One for you. And to the front. And one for you. And to here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. One and two. And this.
Isabella, come here. I need your help real quick.
Okay. Yes.
Here, I need you to pray for Daddy because he's sick.
Okay. Dad, please let my mom, please let my dad feel better. And the blood Jesus, and the blood Jesus, and the blood Jesus. And my baby. Amen.
Amen. Thank you.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
You're
No
awesome.
more, no more babies. I think you're late.
I don't think I'm gonna have any babies anytime soon.
You're late,
My
Isabella.
name is Ma'am and Sir.
Okay, Linda, come on, Mom.
Sir. For everyone.
Whatever. Isabella, why are you so rude?
Because you need this, a chicken, to eat you. And chicken put up. You mean this? This? Look, over there.
Mmm.
Do you love it?
Mm-hmm.
Here is the no one.
Isabella, go walk over there. Show me how the models walk.
Okay?
How do models walk?
Do it again. Let me see. Show me.
One foot in front of the other. One foot in front of the other.
Now can I stop?
Yes, you can stop.
Now come back and show me how models walk. Turn around. See, you gotta do it again. Because you gotta show mommy. Go, baby. Isa. Isabella.
We did.
Isabella.
Isabella.
Isabella. Isabella. Isa.
What? I'm busy.
Excuse me.
I'm going outside for a second. I'll be right back.
Hey.
Please, Isabella. Look, Pop, Daddy's going outside. Go.
Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy. He's leaving us.
Walk like a model.
No. She ain't got her booty when she running.
Show how models walk. Go. Go, show mommy. Show mommy.
Mm.